Fast fashion sells. Clothes today are cheaper, trendier, and more disposable than ever before. But when we throw them out, where do they actually go? Some get reused, some get shredded, but most are destined for landfill. Only 1% of textiles are ever recycled back as clothing. Is this the future of fashion we want? Because right now, it's a linear path to ruin. Most modern garments aren't made from one material. They're complex blends of synthetic fibers, colored dyes, metal trims. This complexity makes them nearly impossible to recycle. Once blended and dyed, there's no going back.
Recycling is probably the last thing on our minds when we are choosing a product. The vast majority of textiles today and in the future are going to be hard to recycle, and this is going to be a system-level challenge. So textile waste, when they are incinerated, can lead to, say, carbon emissions, or if they are landfilled or if they are dumped, can lead to soil and water pollution, and also microplastic leakage.
Oblivious, many shoppers have found a new habit: bracketing. Buy 3 sizes, keep one, toss the rest. It seems small, but multiplied by millions, it adds up fast.
There is no upcycling, there is no recycling.
This is Paul Riley. He's leading a team trying to change that. Backed by Temasek and based in Australia, Samsara Eco has a simple solution. Break plastic down into its building blocks, then start again.
Through the design of our enzymes, which we're using machine learning and artificial intelligence to design, it allows us to selectively depolymerize individual polymers and turn them back into monomers and then back into virgin equivalent plastics again.
Wait, what was that? Every synthetic fiber is made of polymers. These are long chains of plastics called monomers. Samsara uses enzymes, tiny biological tools to cut those chains apart at the molecular level. This leaves behind pure monomers, the original building blocks, ready to become new plastic once again.
The colours are separated, the contaminants are separated, using biology at a low carbon footprint at a very acceptable price to the market.
The result is virgin quality plastic. Just as strong, just as versatile, like brand new. Because for true circularity, you need to go back to the basics. The world produces over 400 million tons of plastic every year. Fashion alone sends 92 million tons of textile waste to the landfill. In theory, Samsara's process can handle the problem, but the challenge is scale.
We talk ambitiously about having 1.5 million tons of plastic processed by our technology by the time we get to the early 2030s. Now, for us, that would be a stunning success story, but it represents 0.37% of the world's annual production of plastic. We need to have 20 Samsaras being out there to process the plastic to make the impact.
Science is just the beginning. In just 4 years, Samsara has gone from lab bench to its first plant opening this year in Yarrabomberra in Australia. Proof that circular fashion isn't theory anymore, it's reality.
If Samsara or any other textile recycling solutions are successful, it means that the clothes and textile that we buy and wear then become truly recyclable and not just downcycled or even discarded.
For Temasek, circularity isn't a buzzword. It sits within their nature-positive roadmap, investing in solutions that protect resources and biodiversity while building long-term resilience.
We see then our role is to help the team scale through our capital, through our networks, and also through helping them form long-term partnerships. And with that, if they're successful, they can bring about system-level positive impact and change. While every one of us should still aim to buy only what we need, at the same time, we can take comfort that the things that we do actually buy and wear are actually drawing on less natural resources, minimizing impact to say climate change, and we're generating less waste in the process.
Samsara's efforts put focus on an endless cycle of craving and rebirth. It's a loop we're all caught in. So the next time you're shopping for clothes, ask yourself, am I buying something that ends or something that begins again?